Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, September 9th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, there is no homework because we finished up the beginning of the school year diagnostic through iReady. In science, we've got a Chapter 1 quiz tomorrow. Also included with that is our optional review. Remember, if you do your optional review, you will earn extra credit for it. In social studies, we need to do Atlas page number 1 and number 2. We need to use our Atlas and the questions from the paper to answer our stuff via Google form. In language arts, we started a writer's notebook today. Our Chapter 1 entry is due tomorrow. You need to type in the Arial font, either size 12 or 14, and fill up at least half of the box, if not more, for Mrs. Murray. In literature, you need to make sure that we're bringing headphones and earbuds tomorrow for testing. Make sure that your Chromebook is charged and ready to go. Also, half of our error points are due by next Wednesday, September 18th. Also, our first notebook check will be taking place the week of September 16th, so you need to make sure that you're completing your written AR book chapter summaries for each chapter that you finish. Also, we have our Smart Door and Planning test for Wednesday in CNL. Just a few reminders for tomorrow as well. Tomorrow, Tuesday, September 10th, is our first Audios meeting. That is at 7:15 tomorrow. And then also, we have school pictures tomorrow. As you can see right now, as I'm doing this video, Mrs. Music has just added an assignment for FCS 6. You need to finish your worksheet on gaining attention. That's it for today. Everyone have a wonderful Monday.